Okay, guys, as I promised, I told you I'd try to give you a little diagram of the little artery and vein guy. I know it's kind of hard to follow, but let's try this, all right? So we're going to start here with the superior vena cava. That's where all the venous blood from the upper body drains into the right atrium. And then the superior vena cava branches into a very small right brachiocephalic vein, then a rather longer left brachiocephalic vein. Now, coming off the arch of the aorta, you got three main vessels. You have the brachiocephalic artery, and the brachiocephalic artery branches off into the right common carotid artery, and the left are the right subclavian artery. And the second vessel is the left common carotid artery. And the left common carotid artery then branches into the left external carotid artery. The left internal carotid artery, not shown here. Then you have the other big vessel that comes off the arch of the aorta, which is the left subclavian artery. Now, when you move down here, right, you've got the, in red, the right axillary artery, and then you have the right axillary vein in blue here. Moving down even more, you have this small vessel here, which represents the right brachial vein. And you have this larger vessel here, which is the right brachial artery. This vessel that parallels the right brachial artery is called the right cephalic vein. Now, down here, again, you have the left subclavian artery, and again, that branches down into the right brachial, or left brachial artery. Down here, you have the right ulnar artery and right radial artery. And then you have the right radial vein and right ulnar vein. Now, let's look at some of the vessels that are coming off the heart. Again, you have the aorta, and the three main vessels that come off the arch of the aorta are the brachiocephalic artery, the left common carotid, and the left subclavian artery. Then you have the right ventricle, pulmonic valve, and then you have the pulmonary trunk. Then the pulmonary trunk branches into the left and right pulmonary arteries, and they'll carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs to get oxygenated. Now you have the inferior vena cava here, and then you have the right renal artery, left renal artery, left renal vein, and right renal vein. Then you have the lower abdominal aorta, and that branches into the common iliac arteries. And the common iliac arteries then branch into the internal iliac, right and left, and the external iliac arteries. So I'll leave that there right now, and then I'll give you another video over the lower portion of the body. I hope that helped.